y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. As you can see from the title, today's video is going to be all about Black Friday. I'm going to share some ideas with you for what you can do for your business on Black Friday. And after watching this video, run, don't walk. If you haven't already gotten your business ready for Black Friday, do it immediately. Get everything situated as soon as possible. People start planning where they're going to shop now, so you want to start promoting it and making people excited about what you're going to have to offer. If this video was helpful, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Ignore my nail, it broke, and I've been busy, y'all, getting my Black Friday promotions together. I just got done shooting some of it. Anyway, give it a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, share with a friend who would also find this helpful, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications so you know when I post. All right, let's get into it. And this is what I actually am doing. So you're getting exclusive dibs on my Black Friday plans. I'm doing a $10, $20, and $32 sale. So I have items that are new inventory. I'm actually wearing some of it that are gonna fit into those price points. I was actually scrambling for months trying to decide what inventory I was bringing in because I wanted to bring in new inventory and do Black Friday deals. But I actually got this idea from Gia Monet, and a lot of other seasoned boutique owners have said the same thing. Like, this is the easiest thing, this works for them, and it's easy for the customer to go in and say, okay, this fits in my price point. It doesn't have to be 10, 20, or 30. That's just the price points I chose based on the items I had. I wouldn't say if you have inventory already to try to fit it into those price points unless it can. You don't want to take a loss on Black Friday. So what I did was found inventory that I could easily fit into those price points without taking a loss. If you are planning on getting new inventory, it is November 15th by the time I release this video. Make sure you order your inventory like today and have it rushed to you, because Thanksgiving is next week and you really do want to start promoting what you have and make sure everything is just ready to go on that day. Number 2, offer special discounts to a specific number of customers. So you can say the first 50 customers get 50% off, or the first 5 customers get this or that. Something that creates urgency for your customers and also makes it fun and exciting, because that's why a lot of people do Black Friday shop. It's not always about the deals. It's also about the activity itself, where it's just different from shopping year round. It's urgent, it's exciting for people. They love going out in the middle of the night and shopping, which I don't know if that's even happening this year, but create something fun, exciting. It makes the customer know that they have to shop with you ASAP. Number 3, offer bundle deals. And I'm not talking about hair, which you can do it if you do actually sell bundles, but bundle deals meaning you group certain items together that can be bought as a package deal. So say you offer biker shorts, offer bodysuits as a bundle deal, or I don't know, if you do offer bundles, you can literally do like bundle deals for your bundles. Or if you sell beauty products, lip gloss, offer bundle deals, like buy a pair of lashes, get a lip gloss or something like that. Number 4, offer mystery boxes or grab bags. I see this pretty often with a lot of stores, but basically you would offer the customer a mystery box where they pay like say $50 and you have items that are going to fit into those price points, which obviously you're going to discount them a bit so they'll fit into that price range. But items, it could be inventory that you're just trying to get rid of. So $50 for like 4 or 5 pieces from your store, your customers would love that, especially if there's things that they've been looking at but they may not fit into their price range, or they just kind of held off on getting it. Something like a mystery box or a grab bag gets them excited about it and helps you get rid of the inventory. If you are one of my customers, this is your first ever exclusive preview. I have not shared this anywhere else, but that's what I'm doing for Cyber Monday. So the logistics of this would be, you offer the mystery box in Shopify. That's what I use. So you would set it up as just mystery box, and then the variants would be the sizes that you offer, so the customer can pick their size, and then you would just put in their package, whatever is going to be their size. It does not have to be a box, but basically make sure you're not cutting yourself short. So you might end up just doing wholesale prices so you can get your money back for whatever inventory has not moved, or just do a little bit above that just so you can not take a loss on a product, if that makes sense. So don't cut yourself so short that you're you're losing money. Number 5, offer a special gift to the first whatever amount of customers. This is super simple. If you don't have time to order inventory, you can easily order something super cheap for your customers to have as a free gift. It could be a lip gloss, it can be a lot of different things. If you sell underwear and you have like little $5 thongs or something like that, that was really random, but that was the first thought that came to my head. You could throw a thong in there for your customer, just some kind of small gift. Your customer will really appreciate that. 6, you can do flash sales, or do a different sale every hour or every day of this shopping weekend. So you can have at midnight on Black Friday, do $10 hoodies, or every hour from there do different discounts of that nature. So you can actually set up in Shopify to have your products come out at different times, or schedule your products to publish at different times, or you can set up different discounts for each hour of that time. So if you do the $10 hoodies, you already haven't set the price at $10, so you can have a discount code that makes the hoodie $10 and have it set to end an hour later. And then you could have another discount code for a different product that starts right after that, so you don't have to stay up all night changing things manually. We ain't about that life. I enjoy my sleep. You guys, this was a super quick video. I actually was not gonna do it because I did not feel super prepared. I still have so much promotional stuff to get done today, but I wanted you guys to have some Black Friday ideas for anyone who's struggling like I was. I hope this was helpful for you. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment with maybe some other Black Friday ideas that would help someone else, or some that you took from this video. Share with a friend who would also find it helpful. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications so you know when I post. Thank you all so much for watching. Wishing you much success in all of your businesses, especially this holiday season. I will talk to y'all soon. Bye.